Oh,
from the
don't you dare sweep that under the table.
From the gods of Korea. The demigod.
Brother Kong.
Not King Kong.
No, Steve Kong.
Steve Kong.
Steve Kong.
Not just any Kong.
No.
Look at these.
Look at those.
These are the World Spec GT8. It's funny, isn't it? If there's a World event,
sweep, get it.
Sweep, get it.
What are they for?
And just
dude,
because
they're sticky as.
Yeah.
That's how I like it.
These are for your GT8 race cars. Not do we sell a GT8 race chassis anymore?
No.
At Hearns, but we do have Biddy Designs full body range.
Yep.
Obviously the 9 steps lipos, the Coyote 8 scale competition running gear,
yes.
and Je Sweep tires. And these are going to be really popular. So
are they solid?
There was about 50. No, they have an insert.
They have an insert?
They are constructed.
They feel like they're solid.
They are constructed just like the 10th scale ones, just bigger.
And super
really
low
cool.
profile.
Super low profile. These are the World Spec tires. People are keen to get these because they're going to practice and get on them before the Worlds. So check those out.
We have them. We got boxes and boxes of sweep in this afternoon.
More black rubbery goodness.
We've got sweep coming out of our wazoo.
Wazoo.
In fact, I checked your wazoo just before, and there was sweep tires coming out of there.
Where are you racing next weekend?
I'd be at Keeler, actually.
Racing a buggy?
I'll be racing a buggy.
These are the tires, my friend, that you want. These are the sweep orbits.
And they're the ones that are actually on my car.
Are they?
Yes.
And these ones here are gold pink or gold magenta. Depends which way you look at it.
Yep.
The label says gold pink, but on the label it says gold magenta. Well, in the description. But yes, gold pink. And that is an ultra soft clay tire. Might be a little bit warm this time of year, but also might be perfect.
Yep.
Because we are getting cold, crisp mornings. These are the tires that you want on. And if you're not having the gold magentas on, you want the yellow magentas. They are the super soft clay compound. I don't think we'll be in a position at the Ko Invitational where you'll be using the silver magentas. They're for they're for spring and summertime conditions, but it can be hot this time of year too. If you're going to
this week, it's going to be 30 on Sunday when I'll be there for practice.
Well, then you want the silvers. But the gold pinks, the orbits, the yellow pinks, and the silver pinks, they're all in stock, ready to go.
So if you want to see me be really incompetent driving, well, I'll be there this Sunday, but I'll be next weekend for the Curler Invitational for Saturday and Sunday.
Invite in the invite class?
Not in the invite class.
No.
I'll be there. Craig Bowring, one of our other team drivers, legend of Australian RC, will be with me.
Ex-Australian champion.
Timmy Keeler.
Timmy Keeler. He must be an Australian champion at something, right? Did he win something?
He would have won mini nationals.
Mini nationals. Tendroid front's really good. And if you're not going to Keeler, but you race on a loose track.
These are ribbed for your pleasure.
These are ribbed for your lap time and pleasure.
Yep.
Four-wheel drive fronts and buggy rears in the square armor pin tires.
And these are all fresh as just hot off the boat or
hot off the press, off of the tire press.
Yeah.
But if you like your racing a little bit on-roady,
asphalty,
hard surface, you might say.
Asphalty. We've got other sweeps.
We don't talk about felching on TV. We have got the all-new sweep D36 R3 PGMs in.
Pug'em.
And these are the control tire for an event in about 6 weeks up in New South Wales. I think they refer to it as the New South Wales state titles on road. So these are really cool in collaboration with Superstock themselves. So they'll be up there as well. They'll be at the event. And yeah, so Sweep have put together, that's a lot of O's on there. That's because that is tire number 1.
That's the fastest one.
There's a few of them. These are going on my car.
No, they're not.
No, they're not.
I don't think Thomas will be happy with that.
No, I won't be.
But I like the fact that we can work with Sweep. They can print whatever we want on the thing, and they've numbered these as well.
Numbered them. all the way to 1250 so far.
Yeah.
But they could, these are all single batch cook up, single tires, and they are amazing. These will be available hopefully later this afternoon to dispatch interstate from Monday onwards. But if you are racing on-road competitively this year, this will be the tire that you will want to get your hands on. Really, really cool. The Sweep D36 R3 PGM. And the M stands for medium insert.
Oh, you told me it stood for... Oh, no.
Medium insert. So we've had a lot of the versions of these tires. So we've got the D36 R3, because that's the carcass, because there's a couple of different carcasses you can get, the profile of the tire. PGSX, which is an extra soft insert, which is great for cold conditions down here in Melbourne. Then you've also got the PGS, which is a soft insert, again really good for summer down here in Melbourne, and if you want a longer lasting tire. Then you've got the PGM, which is a really good control tire because it adds durability to the carcass of the tire. And as well, if the traction comes up, this tire here is the exact same spec that they'll be using at the Worlds, and the Worlds has effectively been cancelled.
Yes. When I was talking to Tony McMahon before, it's official. So
it's official.
It's official. It's not happening
at all this year.
Not happening at all this year. There's also been some other unpleasantness.
Has there?
Yes, which I can't currently discuss.
Yep.
But it's definitely not happening.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I thought it might be just postponed till later.
No, at the moment, it's cancelled completely. Unless they move it to somewhere else.
That is a real shame because that facility and that track looks absolutely
brilliant. Amazing,
right?
Yeah.
The Chinese have done a fantastic, was it Foshan? Is it
Foshan.
Foshan?
Yeah.
It is a fantastic facility. And I am, I was looking forward to it. I wonder what all the racers will be disappointed because they were only weeks from going.
Yep.
Sponsors alike. But these were the tyres for the Worlds.
Yeah. Now we should be able to get some cheap ones. Although they probably haven't even made them yet.
No, well, it was in a few weeks.
Yeah.
It was in a few weeks. They were probably getting our ones out of the way.
Yep.
Before they go ahead and make the Worlds tyres. But yeah, sweet tyres. Hot off the press, brand new compounds, brand new racing. We're excited for it.
I'm excited for it.
Be excited for it.